actually just came to say hello. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here then hello. My name is Emilee. I make makeup videos using cruelty-free makeup. I do food videos, fashion videos, lifestyle videos. I like a bit of variety on this channel. So if any of that sounds like something you might like, then make sure you click subscribe, like the video, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Today's video is obviously going to be a tutorial on this look, and it's actually inspired by NORVINA's new campaign image. It's obviously the look I am going for. I just think it's absolutely beautiful. Now ABH is like my absolute dream PR list, so if I were ever noticed by NORVINA or like Anastasia, it would be like absolutely insane. But I just love everything the brand stands for. They have inclusive shades for absolutely anyone. Their quality is just absolutely incredible. They're cruelty free, a lot of their products are vegan, and they support smaller artists, and I just think they're incredible, and I just think they're amazing, and I just love NORVINA. I've always loved NORVINA. But yeah, without rambling too much, I thought I would do this tutorial. So if you would like to see it, then make sure you carry on watching. Give the video a like and comment down below what you would like to see from me in the future, and stay tuned in this video for a bit of a surprise halfway through, a bit of an announcement, and yeah. Hopefully you can see I have done one eye. It looks really patchy on camera. I don't know what is going on. It's not patchy in real life, but you know what? This eye isn't going to be photographed, so as long as I can get this one to look good on camera, that's fine, because I take my pictures from this angle. So as always, I'm going to start by priming my eyes with my P. Louise base in the shade 1. This is just my absolute favourite primer. I'm then going into my James Charles palette by Morphe. I've not used this in so long, but it's the only palette I've got that's got some like decent blues in it. So I'm starting by dipping into the shade Cola, which is the deepest matte blue. And I'm just going to start by packing this through my crease to get the right shape that I want. And then I'm also just going to flick this out into a kind of cat eye shape. I'm then going in with a bit more of a blendy fluffy brush, and I'm going to use the same shade. I'm just going to start going over the edges with that in circular motions to buff it out. I'm using the shade Spooky, which is a black, and I'm just going to start applying this into almost like a wing shape on the outer corner. This is like another matte blue, but it's slightly brighter, as you can see. So I'm just going to pack this all over the lid space. I'm then going to go into some of my Aloha Glitz shades. I've not used these on my channel in a while. I'm going to go in with a tiny bit of this shade here, which is called Electrified. And I'm just going to kind of lay this down on the centre of the lid, almost as a base for the glitter. I'm just going to really, really lightly pack this. I don't want actual pigment, I just want a really light wash of shimmer. And then I'm going to go into the glitter that's in the middle, this one. This is called Soft, and this is actually like perfect. It's got a bit of pink in it, it's got a bit of blue in it, it's got a bit of green in it. It's got all like the right kind of tones that the NORVINA look has. So I'm just going to take a bit of glitter glue and kind of focus it in the centre, almost like a halo eye. But then bring it out into this wing as well. And then finally I'm going to go in with these little star glitters I've got. I don't know if you can see these. I use these in my Christmas series and I've actually not used them since. And I'm just going to use a bit of lash glue just to stick these down. So I wasn't going to announce this yet, but I'm actually thought I would say it now because I'm thinking about it now. And obviously this is a makeup tutorial. But if you enjoy my makeup tutorials and you're not already subscribed, then I am bringing back my Christmas series that I did last year. So last year I bought the NYX advent calendar, and every single day, like going along with the advent calendar, I did a makeup tutorial on my page using the product of the day. So I'm actually going to be bringing that back this year. I'm actually really excited because that was like a really good like kind of creativity thing for me. Like it got me creative, got me just inspired, and yeah, I'm really excited to do that again this year. Obviously the advent calendar is different this year, so we'll see what products are in it, and yeah, I just thought I'd tell you in case you wanted to buy the advent calendar, because I know it's coming out in October and they sell out really quickly. So if you did want to follow along with my series, then I'm going to be getting the NYX advent calendar this year. I'm getting the 24-day one. I know they do a 12-day one this year with like lip products in. It's 12 full-size lip products, but I wanted to do the 24-day one because, you know, I'm a bit extra like that. But yeah, you get 24 full-size products in it, so I thought that'd be great. And I just like using advent calendars, and kind of like, I thought it'd be a great way to show you how to use the products that you get in an advent calendar, because I know a lot of people, they get advent calendars and they're like, oh, what do I do with this product then? Great, I've got a product, what on earth do I do with it? So I thought it'd be good to, you know, bring back that series, because you know me, I'm all about helping people and also just getting creative, and if I can do that in like both of that in one series, then I'm all for it, because I would love to help inspire people and just give people ideas on what to do with the products that they get. Now I've done all my face makeup, I'm going to do my lower lash line. So this is the eye on the top. So basically on the lower lash line it looks like it's just basically like black smoky lower lash line blended out with some blue with some more of these star glitter pieces on. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I've got a cold still, like I've had a cold for the past like, I don't even know how long. It's like those stages of the cold where it's like you're starting to get the cold but it never quite progresses into the whole flu stage. But I'd rather it just progress and get it over with, because I've literally had this cold for like 8 weeks and I'm like, come on, I'm just constantly sniffling. And again, taking the shade Spooky, and I'm just going to pack this onto my lower lash line. I'm then just going to take this little brush that I used for the shade Brother. I'm going to take a bit of the shade Cola. I'm just going to blend this. Oh yeah, I think she just puts the star glitter on the bottom. I don't think she puts the actual glitter. So again, I'm just going to take a bit of lash glue. And then for my inner corner, I'm going to go in with the Sample Beauty pigment in the shade Arctic. This is just a beautiful, like, reflective pigment. Okay, so this is the finished look. I actually really like this look. I never like blue on myself. Well, I always say I don't like blue on myself, and then I put it on and I'm like, oh, actually I kind of like blue. But yeah, I actually really like this. This is a bit of like a close-up for you. In person it looks blended, on camera not so much, but you know, I really like all the glitter with the stars. So yeah, that is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and let me know what other videos you would like to see from me in the comments. And yeah, stay tuned for my Christmas series, and I'll see you all soon. Bye!